संसाराक वचात आणि देवाची बरी खबर सगळ्यांक प्रगटात. संसाराक वचात आणि देवाची बरी खबर सगळ्यांक प्रगटात. संसाराक वचात.
Every year, we celebrate Mission Sunday in the Catholic Church. Have we become better missionaries, better evangelizers? Our Holy Father Pope Francis is reminding us that we should be people who are in a constant state of mission, which means we should be missionaries 24 hours by 7. We have a message to give to the world. And the message is that God loves us, that we have experienced His love, and now we want to share this love with others.
कांयच वरू नाका, सगळे तुमका देव दितलो. कांयच वरू नाका, सगळे तुमका देव दितलो. ताचेर पातेऊन रावात. संसाराक वचात. ताचेर पातेऊन रावात. संसाराक वचात. संसाराक वचात आणि देवाची बरी खबर सगळ्यांक प्रगटात. संसाराक वचात.
For me, being a Pilar missionary means taking Jesus to the marginalized, to the deprived, and to all those who need Him. We have to get out of our comfort zones, live without fear, act with courage, pray with faith, and with charity bring hope to those who are waiting for us and waiting for Jesus. In this, we have the great example of our pioneers who suffered, and in these difficult times, they become models for us to face every challenge that comes across our mission.
पीडा रोग बरो करूंक सगळ्यांक देवराज प्रगटूंक. पीडा रोग बरो करूंक सगळ्यांक देवराज प्रगटूंक. पदवी अधिकार घेऊन संसाराक वचात. पदवी अधिकार घेऊन संसाराक वचात.
I landed at Narnaul on the 9th of March 1990 with Brother Felix Baptista. We stayed in a rented house for 4 years. We started our service to the people by giving tuitions to college students. But there were some people who did not want us to continue there. But our students gave us full support and we carried on our work, then started a school. And today it is a high secondary school with 1,500 students. And also the social work for the poor people done by the sisters.
संसाराक वचात आणि देवाची बरी खबर सगळ्यांक प्रगटात. संसाराक वचात.
तो आज हमने जो वचन सुना है उसमें यही है, शिष्य यीशु के साथ है लेकिन उनका हालात बदले नहीं है. उन्होंने यीशु को उठाया, तो हम लोगों ने यीशु को उठाना है. हालेलुया, हालेलुया, हालेलुया.
जुलुमाक सापडलेल्यांक सोडोवंक फुडें सरात. जुलुमाक सापडलेल्यांक सोडोवंक फुडें सरात. कैद्यांक सुटका प्रगटूंक संसाराक वचात. कैद्यांक सुटका प्रगटूंक संसाराक वचात. संसाराक वचात आणि देवाची बरी खबर सगळ्याक प्रगटात संसाराक वचात आणि देवाची बरी खबर सगळ्याक प्रगटात संसाराक वचात.
The members of the Society of Pilar have been engaging in the promotion of harmony and peace among the peoples wherever they work. Building relationship with the people has been one of its mission. This is being done by living with the people, learning their language, and sharing in their customs, the festivals, and noble traditions. Such an encounter leads to strengthening our bonds as one human family.
संसाराक वचात आणि देवाची बरी खबर सगळ्याक प्रगटात संसाराक वचात आणि देवाची बरी खबर सगळ्याक प्रगटात